Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to publish your repository or code onto your repository by pushing it through terminal. So I've got a Java project here which is for Minecraft modding, as you see. So let's go ahead and start. So what you wanted to do is you want to go to GitHub. This is my GitHub here. Feel free to follow me if you appreciate this video. So go ahead and create your repository. So do new repository. We'll just call this Java Minecraft mod. How about that? And this mod is for 1.20.5, I'm pretty sure. Or is it 25? Let me have a look on this. Okay, so it's 1.20.5. Yeah, it's correct. So we'll just go ahead and put that name as that for now. I will just yeah, there we go. And for the description, we'll just say whatever your project name is. So for now, we'll just do programmed a Minecraft mod in Java for let's say 1.20.5. Yeah, there you go. We'll give it public for now. Don't add a readme file. I tried this yesterday, but it does not work with the terminal. So you can just add one in the terminal using git add readme dot file. You know, you can add a git ignore if you want, but I don't think I have any node modules or .envs I need to hide, so I can just do that. License, I wouldn't really recommend it, only if you're like into like businesses and stuff like that, you know, or something to do with like Apache, SQL, e.g. Go ahead and create the repo. You'll get this. So this is what we'll be importing, but don't exactly import all of this yet, because there is some extra commands that we need. But yeah, that's the command to add a readme file if you wanted to know. But yeah, so what you're gonna go do is you go ahead and do git init, which will initialize your project ready to to push it to your repository. So go ahead and paste that in. It will use git init, which means it will add a .git file. It will be private, so you can go ahead and show files. And then init stands for initialize, which will initialize everything. So yeah, make sure you have no errors either. So there you go. It goes ahead and says initialized empty git repository. And the reason why it says empty is because you haven't actually published it or mentioned the URL of the repository. As you see, the files that are grayed out, they are already get ignored, so you won't need them unless you need them to function your code. So go ahead and do git add dot, and basically what this will do is that it adds the .git file, and then adds all the files, and then the dot just means like directory, you know. So go ahead and push that, and it'll push all of these files to your .git file. And what you can do is you can change the git status to see what is there. And as you see, all of the files are going in, which is git commit minus m first commit or -m. I'm not going to add the readme file because there's really no point for me. So go ahead and paste the code in. There you go. And that's gone ahead and published it. So now, go ahead and do the branch. This is basically just selecting the options of it. So it's branching. Branch is basically like what type of code or thing to run. And currently we're using main. Another one could be master, and a different one could be GitHub pages. But it really depends on what you're coding. So go ahead and run that. And then go ahead, and now we're going to mention the URL for it to be published at, or to be pushed. So you just copy that one. It should already have the GitHub since it tracks it. So it'll add a remote to it, and then it'll do an origin of this URL here. So go ahead and press enter. There you go. So last URL, which is git push -u origin main, and this will push all of your code right here that you've initialized using the branch of that branch, and it'll push all of this code to GitHub and then straight to your repository where you will see the files and folders. So go ahead and do that. There we go. If you haven't done this correctly, you'll maybe get like an error saying like, sorry, is my mic? Oh yeah. You'll maybe get an error saying like push error to refs or something like that. Refs. So basically, just redo all of that maybe, or reach out to GitHub, or you can use the paid GitHub Copilot. That'll help you out a little bit. But yeah, once you've done that, go back to your repository, go ahead and refresh, and there you go. There's your files. So as you see, Java 100%, there's your description, there's your title, and here's all your code right here. As you see, works perfectly fine. And you can make pull requests, issues, actions, either one. If you go back to your profile, there it is. Let's see. So it's not there. If you go to repositories, there you go. Java Minecraft mod 1.20.5. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, join the Discord, and yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye.